Welcome to the official, undeniable, no way to dispute it, final BFDI ships tier list. Let me just add F as an option, because I don't know why it doesn't have F as a default, but yeah. So, there are 193 ships. This is by Nagfruit on Twitter, or X if you want to be a loser. And there's a lot of ships, and I'm gonna rate all of them based on how much I think good they are. Starting with 8 Ball X Golf Ball. What would this one even be called? 8 Golf? Golf 8? I don't know. D, that's crap. They're literally enemies. Dora X 8 Ball. God, no! Ew! Black Hole X Tree. I don't even know how that one would work. Black Hole is a black hole. I think any ship regarding black hole is like, that doesn't really work. D. Donut X Pin. What? Is that just because of Wobunch? Lollipop X Balloony. Have they interacted? Balloony X Loser. Have they interacted? Balloony X Cloudy. That one makes sense. They're friends. Barfbag X Donut. Sure. Lollipop X Barfbag. I'm not a big fan of Toxic Yuri. 8 Ball X Basketball. Sure. Eggy X Basketball. I hate it because it has Eggy in it. Basketball X Robot Flower. Basketball X Golf Ball. Same opinion on this one as this one. Eraser X Bell. Black Hole X Lightning. I don't think black hole ships work. Black Hole X Remote. Pen X Blocky, yeah, obviously. That one, it's a given, right? It's basically canon. Blocky X Woody. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Bomby X Naily. I could see why that one exists. By the way, I'm not a shipper, so I'm just going off of like which ones I think would work. Like, just which ones seem the most sensible. Bomby X Cake? Have they interacted? Needle X Bomby. I think it's in BFDIA. Bomby X Bell. Bomby X Nickel. Bomby X Pillow. Bomby X Book. The Bomby ones don't work. Price Tag and Book. Yeah, alright. Ruby and Book. Ruby and Book. How does Pin's monologue go in that one episode? Sure. Gaty X Book. No. Bottle X Yellowface. No, because it has Yellowface in it. Eraser X Bottle. No. Bubble X Gelatin. No. Bubble X Leafy, sure. That one might as well. I mean, if you've seen the episode, Fire Royne, obviously, that one's gotta happen. It's that classic enemies to lovers trope. Eggy X Cake, no, because it has Eggy in it. Nickel X Cake, no, because it has nickel in it. Cake X Loser, yeah, sure. No. 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 Yeah, sure. No. Yeah, sure. That one might as well. No. 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 Yeah, that one might as well. I'll put them right next to the other one. No. 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 Why not? I'll put that one here. Obviously! 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 No. 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 Yeah, why not? Sure. I'll put that at... No. X is a child. No. 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 What? No. Yeah, why not? No. 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 Yeah. No. Oh, wait. I kind of zoned out and I just started putting everything in no. Why is gelatin lollipop here? That's gotta be up in A. Obviously. No. 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 I broke it. It's lagging. Oh, great. I broke it. I fixed it. Oh, dang it! I think I'm putting so many on this layer. Okay, so it broke. It, like, fully broke. I can't... the only way I can put more on is if I refresh every single time, and there's, like, 90 more. So I'm just gonna run through the ones that are on this list that I think would be good. First, pen and eraser. That's gonna be up next to pen and blocky and eraser and blocky, obviously. And then saw and gatey, obviously. And then golf ball and tennis ball, obviously. And that's it! Those are the only other good ones. So yeah, that's my definitive ship, BFDI ship tier list. Oh my god, why are there so many, and why are so many of them terrible? From just a logic standpoint. Who's ever gonna... Whatever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and suggest things I can do. If I really like your idea, I'll put it in my big list of video ideas, and it'll probably happen eventually.